Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying Bear Week. We are gonna make a bear out of pom-poms. So we're gonna make this cute little guy here. So the first step is to make a pom-pom out of yarn. So everybody got some yarn in the center. I know we have some different colored tans and browns, so use whatever you got. And then you're gonna start wrapping the yarn around 3 of your fingers. I found that if you do 4, it's a little bit too much and it's not quite as tight. So far right now I have about 50 times around my fingers. So do a good amount of yarn. That way your pom-pom's nice and puffy. You're gonna go ahead until you have a nice big bunch of yarn. So then I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna gently take it off my fingers, but leave it intact, like almost like it's in one big ball now. And grab a piece of yarn, put this in the middle, and we're gonna tie a knot to tie it nice and tight. So make sure it's nice and tight there. And then to make it all fluffy like this, we're gonna trim the pieces of yarn. So go ahead and get a pair of scissors and you're just gonna simply snip where the loops are to form your pom-pom. And you're gonna do this twice. So you're gonna make 2 pom-poms. If you want, you can make one bigger than the other, whatever you'd like. Mine are kind of the same size, the way it turned out. So you can fluff up your pom-pom, make sure some of them that are kind of on the inside you get cut as well. And then fluff that up. And then what I did to do my bears, I just kind of trimmed it up a bit because you see there's some crazy stragglers. So you can almost give it like a little haircut. Trim it up. And then this will be one part of your bear. So you'll do this exact same thing again. And after you've got the 2 pom-poms, you can glue them together. If you use your hot glue gun, it's going to dry a lot faster. I'm at home and I didn't have my glue gun, so I just used Elmer's glue and it did hold it together, but mine's still drying here. So put your 2 pom-poms on top of each other. And then you're going to use the felt that was provided. You got 2 different colored felts. And go ahead and you can cut out the ears. So what I did is I did almost like half moon shapes, half circles, and then I did a little bit smaller part in the middle. So you can go ahead and glue those on. I'm going to put the tan on top of the brown. Do that to the other ear as well. And then if this was the head, so what I would do then is take these ears. Again, you can use your hot glue gun, that'll dry faster. But go ahead and just stick the ears right in there so they kind of stick out. And you'll do both sides, just like that. And then you're gonna wanna cut a circle with the felt for the nose. And then what I did is I just took a black marker and I drew a little nose and mouth. So very similar to that. And then glued that right there in the middle and added my 2 googly eyes. And there is our brown bear. So have fun and enjoy. Have a good week, everyone.